Hello, my name is Leonardo. I'm from Brazil and I'm here to answer the question, do you believe nothing is impossible? From my point of view, our personal experiences determine our inner values, which generate the conceptions of what we believe to be possible and impossible. Therefore, impossibilities are just concepts related to things that cannot be achieved yet. However, just because something has not been done before doesn't mean that it's impossible. We must be brave enough to trailblaze in order to create a new way of doing things. Of course, we cannot defy physics laws such as gravity, but the more we expand our horizons to new prospects, the more groundbreaking paths we can create. As human beings, challenges have always ignited our passions and developed our aptitudes. History shows us that the search for ways of overcoming impossibilities represent the trigger of unforeseen breakthroughs in human history. Just imagine how unbelievable the ideas of landing on the moon, reaching someone instantaneously through the internet, gender equality, or social inclusion would seem a couple of decades ago. In fact, all the important breakthroughs in human history seemed impossible until they were done. Among all those challenges, the Olympic and Paralympic Games are the most important ones, since they represent the ancient human tradition of teamwork, international cooperation, and inclusion of physically disabled people. Paralympic competitors represent the struggle of humanity to overcome physical and mental boundaries and to transform disabilities into possibilities. Experts said for years that the human body was simply not capable of a 4-minute mile. It is, running a mile in less than 4 minutes. However, in 1954, Roger Bannister broke the 4-minute barrier using a special strategy. Before running, he tried to visualize the achievement in order to convince his mind and body that it was something possible. As people gradually stopped seeing it as something unattainable, thousands of athletes followed Roger's steps until breaking the 4-minute mile became something that can be done even by high school students. Personally, I love this story. It teaches us that in order to thrive, we must always seek for excellence, and above all, that we must believe that we are capable and that anything is possible. We all need to like those athletes in order to solve problems of the modern world. Nowadays, many issues such as terrorism, ideological wars, lack of access to good quality education, and climate change are constantly threatening peace. In order to change the situation, we need true leaders, people who believe that creating a world that supports tolerance, respect, and international collaboration is not impossible. Peace can only be achieved where there is dialogue. Thus, we need to believe that the friendship bonds that bind us together are stronger than the intolerance that set us apart. We can notice that all those brown people responsible for attaining extraordinary achievements have something in common. They were naive enough to think that anything can be achieved through hard work and determination. They do not see limitations as impossibilities, but as opportunities of self-improvement. Without using their own failures as an inspiration to constantly break their records, professional Olympic and Paralympic athletes would never be able to achieve their goals. Thus, our chances of doing something considered impossible is directly proportional to our capacity of getting back on our feet after falling down. Therefore, I believe that we must be the personification of Samuel Beckett's words. Ever tried, ever failed, no matter, try again, fail better. This said, I can state that I strongly believe in our potential to change things, to imagine better, to ignite innovation through challenge, to generate opportunities from impossibilities, to work as a united team in order to promote equality and justice. I strongly believe that nothing is impossible for the ones who are crazy enough to think they can change the world. Thank you very much.